Hello my viewers, welcome back to my channel. Once again I have come with a new opportunity that I want to share with you. And if you are new to this channel, I usually share job opportunities with you, legit ones that you can try at home and see if you can be able to make some cash. Okay, so please consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so that you don't miss any of the available content that I upload each and every day. So today guys, there's this site that I want to share with you, and some people are familiar with it. It goes by the name RapidWorkers. Okay, so it is a microtask website. Are we together? It is a microtask website. Here you are going to complete some simple microtasks, like maybe signing up to some accounts. You are like doing content moderation, social media, okay, downloading and installing some apps and doing some reviews of them. Are you together? So it is just the same as the other account that I posted earlier, the one of micro workers. Are we together? So today I decided to share with you because I found this account and I found it somehow good. I created it some few days ago, and I said why would I not share with my viewers? Are you together? So the first thing that you will note here after creating an account, let me just show you how the link over. This is the link to the account. Are you together? You'll just type RapidWorkers and then you will just register over here. Are you together? You just click register. Personally I already have an account, so I'm not going to register again. That's why I'm showing you my dashboard. But you are going to just click RapidWorkers and then click this link. It's going to guide you on how to create an account. And once you create an account, you're going to see something like this one. Are you together? You're going to see the jobs that are available. You're going to see the tasks that you have completed. If you are offering jobs, because it works like this, you can either be a person working here, working on the tasks, or maybe you're sharing the tasks for people to do for you. So if you are that person who wants to share the work so that people can do it for you, you will create a campaign and then you're going to deposit some cash. Are you together? And then people are going to do it for you, and then they're going to be paid. So I understand that most people who have come here, they have come here because they are looking for jobs. So I'm going to put more focus on that. Are you together? So you can see over here, we have the category of jobs where I'm highlighting. We have the categories of jobs that I've given. You can there's this one of offer stroke sign up. You can do content moderation, you can do social media. Let me just scroll down. You can see other download, install. There are also forums. There are very many. Actually there's also this one of writing a review. Sorry, let me just go back. You can write a review, an honest one. Are you together? So that is after testing either the product or the services that are being offered. Let me just scroll down. So you can see there are different categories of jobs. Are you together? That you can try out. There's also the job title that is given. This accompanies the category. So you can see this one, easy and simple sign up through Gmail. So they want you to sign up through a Gmail and then something like that, and then you're going to earn. This one is watch, like and share YouTube short video. Okay, so this is the job title. The pay. Okay, so let me just scroll through the pay because I understand most people are concerned about this one. The pay, I won't say is that much good. Okay, but the good thing with these microtasks is that websites is that they do offer a lot of jobs. Are we together? They do offer these small jobs, but very many of them. Are you together? You can see if I scroll down, I'll scroll like forever. I'll scroll like forever. Let me just go. You can see if I come over here, I can go to the next page. Okay, these are jobs. These are still jobs. Are you together? I can still go again and click again. Another page. You can see still they have a lot of jobs. Are you together? So let me just go back. Okay, so I'm in another page of the jobs. I was trying to show you the pay. Okay, so after pay you can see the location. So by saying all, they have written all. This means these jobs can be found in all locations of the world. Are you together? So they are global. So this one does not limit anybody because you are coming from one country you are limited. No, you can do it from anywhere. Are you together? And then time to complete. They have given you the time that you're supposed to use to complete. Like this one takes 1 minute, 2 minutes. Most of them don't take a lot of time. I don't think there's one that goes above 5 minutes. Let me just say 1 minute, 1 minute, you see. So they are just some simple micro tasks. Are you together? So pending approval, if your job has not been approved, it's going to show over here. Are you together? Personally, I haven't done any, but you can, if it has not been approved, it's going to show over there. Are you together? So availability, this one shows the number of jobs that are still there remaining, or those that have been done, okay, against those that are remaining. So it's going to show over here. And then the status, if it hasn't been cancelled, like these ones have been cancelled. Let me just go back. A moment, guys. Those that are active, they are going to show active. Those that have been cancelled, they are going to show cancelled. So you're going to work on the active ones. Are you together, guys? So up to there, I hope we are together. Let me just go to the second thing. So if you have completed tasks, I wanted to show you this part. If you have completed the tasks, they are going to be highlighted over here. So the category plus the job pay, all the things that the approval status, the time that you completed, everything is going to be shown here. So this one, I don't think I'm going to talk much about it. Let me just go to over here. So if you have earned something from this site and you want to withdraw, so it's going to show you the balance that you have over here, okay? So the available balance. So you're going just to withdraw using one of the most popular methods, that's called PayPal. I know most people know about it. You just create an account and then you come and link it through your email. Are you together? The email that you have used to create that PayPal account, and then you wait for the payment. So it's very good because PayPal is supported in many countries. Are you together? And then you can also withdraw via CryptoMass. I think this is things about crypto. So if you're familiar with that, you can try it. Are you together? So this part is going to show you the withdrawal history, all the withdrawals that you have made, and then something else that I want to share with you here. Over here you can see the balance. Like me, I created this a new account that I used it as a demonstration to show you, so that you can go and try it out. So your balance is going to reflect over here. I'm going to try to do some jobs here and there, and then see how, if my balance is going to actually reflect over there. Something else, guys, I don't think there's anything that I've missed. Okay, they do have an affiliate program. Let me just click over here. So those people who like doing sharing, they can share this site. You can share with your friends, and then you're going to receive like 10% of the deposits that they make. So this mainly applies to those people who want to share jobs here, the campaigns that I told you earlier. There are those people who come over to this site to share jobs for people to do for them. So you can invite your friends, and once they make deposits, then you're going to be paid something from that deposit. Are you together? So if you're good at affiliate marketing program, these things, you can try it out, okay? So let me just click campaigns for those people who don't understand what I mean. So campaigns, you can see if you have any job, you'll just come over here, and then it's going to guide you on what you're going to do. So you can just click over here, create a new campaign, and then you'll just come over here, deposit the amount that is needed, and then the job is going to be distributed among the taskers, and they are going to complete the job for you. So guys, to me this is a new site because I've opened it like some few days ago, but you can try it. I said try it. If it's going to work on your side, well and good. If not, then I still have a lot of sites to share. A lot. So please consider subscribing, consider putting the notification bell, hitting the notification bell, so that you don't miss any of the content that I post. One day I'm sure you're going to get something that's going to work on your side. If this is going to work on your side, then please like this video, comment down below, tell us you are able to withdraw some money from this site. It's a legit site actually. This is not scam. It's a legit site. Even if you go and Google, if you go and ask ChatGPT if this is a legit site, then it will tell you it's a legit site. So something else, please try not to share your personal information. I know some jobs require personal information, so be careful while you're giving out personal information. Be wise. Are you together? So try to look at those jobs that don't require personal information. Okay guys, so please try this site and see if it's going to work on your side. If not, then there are still more sites to come that I'm going to share. Till next time, bye.